Hi everyone. So now we'll be implementing another Agentic AI project with the help of CREAI framework. So if you don't know, CREAI is a Agentic AI framework. So with the help of that, we can create agents and multi-agents. So this is the website of CREAI, and it supports all the model like different model you have from different provider. You can check it out. Even currently, they have also collaborated with the NVIDIA. So this is like one amazing, powerful framework they have created. If you want to implement any agents, so definitely you can use it. Even personally I like a lot, even because it is like easy to use. And recently you can see they have also collaborated with the deep learning.ai. So android is having one course, okay, on top of it, short course. If you want, you can also watch that, okay, how crewai helps us whenever we try to create any kinds of agents. So first of all, let me show you the demo how to use crewai and how we can implement these kinds of agents. So first of all, we'll try to create a single agents, then I will also show you how we can create the multi agents. So they have their documentation. You can go to the documentation. So all the installation guideline, all the example they have given. But first of all, see my implementation. Then you can go to the documentation for the deep dive. So let's open up my VS Code, and here is the code, guys. I already prepared. So the resources would be shared in your description. From there, you can download. So how to set up the project? So here I've already given the guidance. First of all, create a environment with the help of Python 3.11, then activate it, then try to install the requirements. So for me, I already have my environment. So let me just open up my terminal. Then I will activate my environment. So I already created it. I'll activate. Then after that, install the requirements. So for me, it is already satisfied. And here you can see these are the requirement you need, okay, for this project. So here what I can do, I can uncomment and I can comment this one. So if you want, you can also use Grok model. So if you are using Grok model, you have to install Langchain Grok that time. So let me install now. Fine. But here I'm going to use OpenAI model. So first of all, let me show you what is the agents we are going to develop here. So guys, the agents we are going to develop, it would be a like single agents. Okay. So here we are going to create a research agent. Research agent. So what would be the task of research agent? Let's say this is my agent. So it will take one input from the user, okay, any topic name, and it will do the research operation over the internet, and it will give you the response on top of this. Okay, simple. And what is the main functionality? That finding the latest information capability, because it will be using one tool, and tool wise we'll be using something called SERP API. SERP API. So SERP API is one of the like search tool you can use. It will perform real-time search operation over the Google. So let's say here, user is searching let's say about Agentic AI. Okay, AGENTTKI. So it will first of all check whether this information is available in the large language model or not, because we'll be integrating the LLM here, OpenAI LLM. And you know that OpenAI LLM doesn't have the latest information, so it will use the tool. That means search API. It will search over the internet. It will get the response. It will pass to the LLM. LLM will try to process, and it will give you the response. Okay. So this is the single agents we'll try to develop. Now, next time I will also show you how we can create the multi agents. That means we'll try to create a blog post generator agents. So one agents will try to do the research operation over the internet, and second agents will try to write the blog on that topic. Okay, so let's see how to implement these agents, okay, with the help of this CREAI framework. So guys, here is the code demo. So here I have one file called single agents underscore demo.py. So here I'm importing all the necessary library. So .env, I think you know, we need to load the credential from my env file. That's why we need it. Then from CREAI, I'm importing agent, task, and crew. I'll tell you, okay, why we are importing that. And we are also importing something called SERP date tool, because we'll be using SERP API here. And we need a SERP API key. I'll tell you, okay, how to get it. And here we are using the OpenAI model. We're importing chat API model. Okay. So here we are importing chat OpenAI model. So first of all, you have to set your OpenAI API key, guys. So I already set my OpenAI API key, and you need a SERP API key. Now, how to get the SERP API key? Just go to Google and search for SERP, serper.dev. So first of all, create one account. For me, I already have the account. So let me just log in. So here you need to get the API key. Just click on the API key and copy your API key. Okay. And here you can just paste it. And make sure, guys, you are using your API key. I'm going to remove, okay, after the recording. This is my API key. So now we'll load my single agent demo. Now here we are loading the API key. We are creating the like object of the tool, and this is the function I have written. Okay, so create research agent. So here I'm initializing the LLM, and here I'm using GPT 3.5 turbo model. And here we are first of all creating a agents, okay, because I told you now we have to create a agents, and this agents I have to define some role. So here you can see role is research agent, goal is conduct through research on a given topic, backstory. So you can see you are an experienced researcher with expertise in finding synthesizing information from various sources. That means here you can give any kinds of prompt. Let's say I want to create a research prompt, you can give research related prompt here. That means your agent should contain role, goal, backstory. Okay, these are the main component, because CREAI works in that way, and these are the CREAI framework, CREAI actually parameter. Then verbose is equal to true means you want to see the execution log in your terminal. Allow delegation, because I'm not creating any multi agent, so after this agents I don't have any other agent, that's why it would be false. And true, tools is equal to the search tool actually I have defined, that means SERP tool, and this is the LLM I'm defining. Now agent is ready. Now we have to create the task. That means I just need to define the task of the agents right now. So again I've created another function called research task, create a research task, and it will take the agents you have created and the topic. Okay, so here is the task I'm creating. Now I'm using the task function. Okay, previously I used the agent function, I'm using the task function, and this is the description I'm giving. Okay, research on the following topic and provide the comprehensive summary on the topic. That means whatever topic user will give, it will do the research operation. Then I'm giving the agents. With the help of these agents, it will do the research operation, and expected output you can mention here. So I need a detailed summary of the research finding, including the key points inside it's related to the topic. Okay, then this is the final function. Now run research, so it will get the topic name, it will initialize the agents. Okay, these agents, then it will initialize the task, then I'm creating the crew. Now you have to use the crew. That means crew will contain the agents as well as the task, and after that crew would be a object. Now you have to just run crew.kickoff, so it will run the agents. Okay, and this particular function I'm running in the main function itself. First of all, I'm taking the input from the user, and this input I'm passing here, and it will give you the response. So let me execute and let me show you whether it's working or not. I'm going to open up my terminal. That's clear. I'll just write Python, and the file name is single agents, I think. So let's execute single agents demo. Okay, so I'll execute. So it is asking for the topic. Let's say I will give agentic AI. Okay, this is the topic I want to do the research. Now if I hit enter, now it is using the chain, like CREAI chain. Now see, it is doing the search operation, and it is getting the information from various sources. You can see from Medium, from different website, and it is refining, and this is the final output I got. Okay, final refined output we got about the agentic AI. That's how guys we can automate, and we can get the real-time information with the help of agentic AI. Okay, now this was the example of single agents. Now let's try to see how we can create the multi agents. So guys, now we'll create a multi agent. So let me show you. So the agents we are going to create called blog post generation agent. Okay, so what I will do, I will create actually two agents. So let's say this is my agent one, so this is would be my research agent. Okay, and I will create another agent called agent 2. This would be my writer agent. Okay, and user will pass one topic name. Okay, so this agent will try to do the research operation on the topic. Let's say user has given AGENTTKI, so it will do the research operation. I think you saw the previous example. It will give you the entire research topic to the next agent. Okay, and next agent will try to write that block in a MD file, markdown file. Okay, you can also specify the format. Let's say you need a in a JSON file, you need a TXT file, you can also do it. So that means we'll be creating two agents, agent 1 and agent 2, and we'll try to like make them one connection. So these agents will try to do the research operation. After researching, this will pass to the another agents, and the agent will try to write that particular blog. Okay, now let's see how we can implement with the help of CREAI. So again, I have given you the code example. Just open this multi-agents demo.py file, and similar concept guys. So first of all, importing all the library, then loading my OpenAI and SERP API, and I'm setting all of them in the environment variable, and this is my tool, and this is my agent, the first agent. This is called research agent. That means this particular agents we have created, and here I have specified the like role, goal, and everything. Okay, I think you saw in my previous example. I'm not going to explain again. And one thing I have done here, allowed education is equal to true, because now we have another agents and it is interconnected. That's why it should be true. Okay, now this is my second agent called writer agent. So you can see name is writer and goal. So here I have given all the goal and all. So here I've narrated the complete take stories about the topic, then the backstory as I've given. Okay, and now here I've given allowed delegation is equal to false, because after this agents I don't have any other agents. Okay, that's why it is false. Now after creating that, I have to create the task for both of the agents. So this is the task for first agent. Okay, you can see this is the task for the first agent. So here I've written the entire prompt, and I need a comprehensive 3 paragraphs long report on the latest AI trends, and it will take the tools as well as the agent. That means researcher agent it will do. Now I'll create the task for the next agent, which is nothing but writer agent. So here again I'm creating a task, and here you can see I'm giving the writer agents. Okay, and now here you can define the output, what kinds of output you need from the agents. So here I'm telling a four paragraph articles on the topic advanced formatted as a markdown, and will save the like content in a markdown file. Okay, new blog post md file, and from there you can do the post operation. Now here I'm creating the crew. So inside crew you have your agents, 2 agents, and the 2 tasks. And here you are defining this is a sequential agents because it will run as a sequence. First of all research, then writer. That's why it's a sequential agents. Then you are doing crew.kickoff, and you are giving the topic name. So here the topic name I have given AI in healthcare. Okay, and this will print the result, and it will also save the file. So see, initially I don't have this file. Now after executing, you will see that this file would be generated. So let's execute. So I'll clear the terminal. So Python multi agents demo. See, it is doing the search operation. Okay, from different website it is like collecting the information, then it will pass to the LLM, and LLM will try to process. So this execution will take some time. Let's wait. Once the execution is complete, I'll come back. So guys, you can see my execution is complete, and this is the answer I got. Now if I show you, so it has created one md file. Inside that it has written one amazing blog about AI in healthcare. Okay, so that's how guys you can easily actually generate the blog post. Now you don't need to like do the research operation manually. Even you don't need to write it manually. So with the help of these agents you can easily generate that. Now you can create another agents. That agent will try to post that blog in the, let's say, LinkedIn or let's say Facebook. But for this you need to get the LinkedIn and Facebook developer API key. Okay, so yes guys, this is the agents demo we have done with the help of CREAI. I hope you liked it, and CREAI is like very powerful. You can deep dive into the documentation. Definitely will be learning a lot. So yes guys, this is all about. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.